Hey, happy day 700 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, also known as Pajama Grandma, sharing my journey from the offline brick and mortar world of 27 different industries and businesses in corporate America to the online world. Day by day, step by step, miserable action by miserable action, or awesome action by awesome action. Actually, I'm calling this one rolling because yesterday I called it coasting yesterday. I am still rolling and coasting. Actually went to the doctor yesterday and found out I just have a virus. Yay, viruses, right? Isn't that awful when you feel miserable and you're like, could you just give me a shot? Could you just give me some medicine? Could you just give me some miracle drug that makes me feel normal and back to myself tomorrow? That would be awesome. Instead, nope, nothing. You've just got a virus. If it gets worse, come back and see us again. So continue to do what you're doing. Hot tea with lemon and honey, whatever it takes to feel better. So yesterday I was coasting. I coasted all day. Today I'm going to be rolling. My daughter and son-in-law are coming home from Florida. They were in Florida for the holidays. So if I can feel better and have everyone around, we'll do Christmas one of these days. Our immediate family Christmas. But I'm not having anybody around until I get over this bug, at least until I know I'm not contagious. Anyway, in between challenges, except for probably my health is my current challenge, just finished the BP challenge, which was a blood pressure challenge. And when I went to the doctor yesterday, guess what? My blood pressure was 114 over something, I can't remember what, but it was definitely down more than 20 points. So even though I said in my BP challenge that I didn't meet my goal, apparently I've met my goal. Either that or my blood pressure was just really low in that doctor's office and it only goes up high when I'm in my cardiologist's office. That could be something psychological to that cardiologist's office. So that challenge is over. We'll be starting another one very, very soon, probably the first of the year. Usually I start a new challenge with a group the first of the year. What else am I thinking? My brain is definitely foggy and not thinking. My nose is definitely red and sore like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Hopefully that won't last much longer. And my biggest thing is, can I get rid of this cough? Cough is the biggest thing. I can go about 4 minutes and then I'm like, so I'm going to speak very quickly today. Happy Every Day was about life, noticing the things in life that delight us. Take the bitter with the sweet was Supersize Your Business, which was a really good one. I wish I would have been able to talk more than 4 minutes on it because it's a great topic. There's so much belief that the other shoe has to drop. We can't be happy, that we don't deserve to be happy. But happiness and joy and everything we experience in life is really up to us. And it's how we choose to perceive everything. We're going to have good and bad things that happen in our life. Our lives are not going to be a nice straight line of existence unless we want to live a very, very boring life. Usually our lives go like this, up and down, more like a roller coaster than like a straight line to what it is that we want. And it's up to us to decide how we're going to react to those things, how we're going to respond to those things. We can respond with doubt and fear and anger and worry, or we can respond with optimism and belief and knowing that things will work out for us. Everything is on a spectrum of positive and negative, and it's how we see it that really matters. It's the cool thing about being a human being. We get to decide and choose how we're going to see things, how we're going to react to them. So that's all I've got today. I'm going to lay low. If I can help you anyway, hit me up in the comments below or message me, and you can always Voxer me. Little slow to Voxer back, but I will get back to you. And that's probably the best way given the coughing fits. Have an amazing day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.